So guys, welcome to Suma Beach. So here is the place that you can change your clothes. So here's changing room. It's called changing room or toilet. So toilet and changing room over here. So this area. So that is a JR line, guy. That is a JR train. So you can come here. You can come to Suma Beach or Suma Island by the JR line, Sanyo line, by bus and also by taxi or whatever. Suma Beach is one of the most popular and very beautiful beach in Shikoku Prefecture. It was in the middle between between Himeji and Sanomiya or Osaka. So you can reach by here by if you Himeji, so you can use JR line or also Sanyo line, guy. But if you come by your own car, also they have parking here as well. But guys, today is a second opening of a Suma. It's going to be a lot of people, guys. So here's a local restaurant. So you can party all day, all night. You can do barbecue, whatever. This local restaurant in front of the Suma Beach, guy. So you don't need to worry to bring the beer here. They have many local beer garden opening here, so you can drink all day. It's okay, guy. But make sure safety is your priority. So here you can see local tourism and also local people. They're here for swimming and take a photo of view of the sunset. But the most attractive of this beach is you can see the sunset from the west side when the sun goes down. And also you can see the Awaji Kaikyo, we call Awaji Bridge, lights at night time. It's also beautiful. And also you can see the, we call the transportation, international transportation ship. They transport gold from anywhere to Osaka, from Tokyo to Osaka. You see the view up there, guys. It's so beautiful. And you see the airplane, a lot of airplanes fly across from here. Because this is where they are crossing to Osaka, because Osaka is a very big international airport. So a lot of planes come across here as well, guys. So here is Suma Station, guys. This is Suma Station in front of me. So this is called Suma Beach or Suma Station. So here is we call post office or post police. So here, or we call security. So security, they will be here from open and until the close, guys. So they will be here only in summertime. So because security here, we are gonna make sure you guys, everyone is gonna be safe. So safety is what we want. Konnichiwa. So they are working so hard to protect you all, guys. Make sure you're safe, guys. So guys, here's people come with their family and like eat something, sit down and see the view and see the whale, the water whale blooming. This area, so this is for, you can rent the camping. This for only for rental. So you can rent and you can sit down with your family and drink whatever, but only at the daytime. Also, you see the We call Chido Hambaki, or it's called vending machine. So vending machine is going to be here, operation 24 hours here. You can buy drink, soft drink, water, whatever, cola, energy drink. So it's going to be here, guys. So this beach is gonna be, it's very, very convenient to come. If you get drunk, a lot of drunk, it's okay. The JR line is very close to the beach, guys. You just walk on it less than 1 minute to catch the JR line, and then you can go to where your destination to go. So see this JR line, rapid service. But the special rapid service gonna be not gonna stop here. Only local line, and also rapid service. So stop here. So from now on, it's gonna be very busy, this station, because there's gonna be a lot of people come here from morning until late at night to be party and meet new friend and drinking, whatever, make a new friend. So only in the summer that they are here. The here is open only in summertime only. So only from now on they open. So guys, if you don't know where to go, I highly recommend Suma is the best choice, guys. It's the best choice for you. Okay, you see the wave is very strong right now. So this all area you can swim, guys. You can do swimming, all this area, and also do camping. But this inside here, it's only available for rent. But outside this area, you also can camping with your friend, family, without paying. But only this side only. So guys, here is a public toilet. So they have one big public toilet, one here. Also you can take a shower as well. After you swim. So you can take shower here and also toilet. But they had another one. There is a lot of public toilet there as well. And shower place. So guys, I'm gonna finish Suma trip video from here, guys. So make sure if you want to know more about Japan, about life in Japan, guys, please give the subscribe button and share this video, like, comment. If you want to know more everything about Japan, just hit the button subscribe, leave the comment. I'm gonna be very grateful and appreciate all you guys help me. So I'm gonna post a lot more about Japan. Thank you guys for your watching, and if you like my video, just click the subscribe for more. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.